Handy Hudsonite here. I'm going to show you how you can easily reset the change filter light on a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's very easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do it right after this. A Whirlpool refrigerator, the replace filter light can be very tricky to know how to replace. I just replaced the filter in here. There's a brand new filter, but the replace filter light is still on. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so there's the replace filter light. It's still on. I put a new filter in, but it didn't intuitively know how to reset it. So what you do, it's easy, but there are a couple of steps, is you press the options button, and then here underneath, so the button that says lock, do filter reset. Then you have to hit confirm, which is this measured fill button. It'll beep a couple of times, and voila, you now have reset the filter light on your Whirlpool refrigerator. I hope this has been helpful for you in knowing how to reset the change filter light on your Whirlpool refrigerator. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, The Handy Hudsonite, for more tips, hacks, and reviews so that you can get the job done. And make sure to hit that notification bell so that you can get content as it goes up on my channel, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.